Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Fit Agent Shayla. Welcome to the Body House. Now, last video we talked about making fitness the foundation for success in all areas of your life. This video, we're going to talk about the tools that you will need in order to do that. So I'm going to share with you some of the basic things that I use still to this day and when I got started on my fitness journey, just to make it comfortable, help me with my confidence, and just also just tools that you will need to assist you in going to the gym or working with your personal trainer, or even if it's just working out in your living room by yourself. You are going to need some tools to aid you in that, and all of these items that I am going to mention are going to be listed below in the description. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first item that I want to show you guys is a gym bag. I did get this gym bag off of Amazon, and I love this gym bag because it has so many different compartments, and it also has a place to put, I think it's on this side, yeah, and put your shoes, your gym shoes and stuff like that, right? And this is just so you can carry all of your other essentials, but a gym bag is definitely a necessity. It just makes me feel complete. It makes me, just feel confident that I have everything that I need to get a good workout in, okay? Before and during and after, all right? And so, again, this is listed um, down below. I did get this from Amazon, but you can get a gym bag from anywhere. But just get you one so that you're empowered and you know that when you go to the gym or wherever you go to work out, that you have everything that you need. Okay, so get yourself a good gym bag. I think this one, I forget how much this one was. Couldn't be any more than maybe $20 or maybe even less than that. But a good gym bag is essential. You need, even if you're going to the gym after work and you need to carry some gym clothes, your gym shoes, water bottles, whatever, you need something to put your stuff in. And just make sure that you have everything you need to make you comfortable and confident while you are working out. So a gym bag is definitely a necessity for working out. Next, a water bottle. A water bottle is definitely another necessity that you need when working out because you want to stay hydrated, okay? Before, during, and after your workout, especially after your workout, after doing all of that sweating. You want to make sure that you're keeping yourself hydrated. Outside of the workout, you want to make sure that you're staying hydrated as well. Now, I used to have a gallon, but a gallon, it was just too big for me to just carry around. So I ended up getting this half gallon, and it comes with these cute little, pockets for your phone or, lip gloss, credit cards, whatever else little things that you need. It also comes with a cute, I love this strap, and I can just put it over my shoulder and walk around and carry it like that throughout the gym or, wherever I'm going. And it also has a nice straw, a nice covering. I just love this water bottle. It just comes in handy. And then it has a cute little sleeve. You can remove this and take this off and just have, the water bottle. And it comes in different colors and stuff like that and styles. So I do love this. Again, they do have the gallon ones. At first I did have the big gallon because I do like to drink as close to a gallon a day as I can. I don't always get there, but I try, okay? Water and hydration is essential. So I do encourage you to get a good water bottle to take with you along your workouts and along your fitness journey. And again, I also got this from Amazon. This one is probably like $12.99 or something like that. I'll link it below. But get yourself a good water bottle. Okay, so next I have gloves. Now, I love gloves. You definitely want to get some gloves to prevent you from getting calluses all on the inside of your hands, okay? And sometimes when you're, lifting kind of heavy or pushing and pulling and stuff like that, it can kind of hurt the inside of your hands. So it's definitely important to have some type of protection for your hands. Now, don't mind my gloves because they are all beat the hell up. But again, I got these from Amazon. And I love the gloves that have the wrist support. I love that. So I just take these and, wrap them around my wrist like that. And it just gives you that support when you're lifting, pushing, and pulling. And it prevents, the fingers are out, and it prevents you from getting, calluses on your inside of your hands, and also hurting from that friction and just, tugging and pulling on the different machines, or, different machines and stuff. So definitely get you a nice set of gloves. So you can get these pretty much anywhere. I got these from Amazon. They're pretty beat up, but they're still in the game, and I love them. It's definitely an essential that you will need when going to the gym. I hate when I forget my gloves because my hands do hurt on some of the workouts that I'm doing when I don't have my gloves, and it just makes this area right here really tough and kind of shaved and stuff like that. So definitely invest in a good pair of gloves. All right. So next I have some headphones. Now this isn't really a necessity, but this is more of a comfort thing. I like to be in my zone when I work out, and I love to listen to some good old music that's going to get me pumping and keep me going and just rile me up. Hey, 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 hey. You know what I'm saying? I got to have me some music to get me going, some crunk music when I'm doing my workouts, some motivational music when I'm doing my workouts, right? So I got these from Amazon. They are Beats headphones. They are noise canceling, and y'all, I love these. When I put these on in the gym and I, do my thing, I can literally not hear the music in the background or hear other people talking. I just like to be, in my zone. So if you have some AirPods, whatever, or just some headphones. They don't have to be Beats. They don't have to be expensive, but just something to play while you're working out to keep you, motivated, especially if you're working out by yourself. Yes, you definitely want to get you something to like zone people out and to keep you, in your zone, and just, get you going on your, workout. Some good music, good music, or maybe some motivational speeches or whatever it is that you like to listen to while you're working out. But I definitely have to have my headphones when I work out. This is a good addition to just make it more comfortable for you. Okay. Next, I have resistance bands. Now, I did get these again off Amazon. Resistance bands, and this is a wash bag. So you can actually put your resistance bands in here and just throw this right on in the washer. Okay. Now, they do come in different like resistance weight, I guess. I think it's like 5, 10, 15, pound resistance. It's three come in here, but I had an extra one from one that just had an extra one that I bought from some fitness class or whatever. But these are really great for working out at home and also in the gym. These are great for beginners. If you are not trying to lift heavy weights and you're not ready for the actual machines yet, these are good to help you graduate towards, working on those machines or adding more weight to your workouts. These are very beginner friendly. I love these for my beginners, but they are still effective if you're not a beginner. Even if you're well versed in working out and stuff like that, it is still a great addition to your workouts. Okay. And it's also great combination piece, even if you are doing weights sometime, to have a good resistance band. It's great for at-home workouts, at-home routines, and working out by yourself. So definitely invest in some good resistance bands. It may be days that you don't want to go out or you can't go out. You may be snowed in. You can still get you a nice glutes and leg workout with these resistance bands. Okay. So next I have a combo that I love to use. I love to use, this is like a seaweed wrap, I think. This is a seaweed wrap. And I take this and I just wrap it around my stomach, like that. I just wrap it around my stomach, but it helps to make you sweat. Okay, it helps with making you sweat. So I love this stuff. It works very, 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 very good. And again, I get this off of Amazon. There are a few other places, but I love to get mine off of Amazon. It is coated also with essential oil, so it won't dry your skin out, or sometimes when you wear waist trainers by themselves, that can kind of irritate you. But I love to wear this under my waist trainer to not only help me sweat more, but as a barrier or protection from my waist trainer. Okay, so this is like the seaweed wrap, or some people use saran wrap or something to make you sweat. But I just think this is a lot healthier because it's coated with essential oils as well. And I'll link this below. I did get this from Amazon as well. Okay, my waist trainer. This is my baby right here. I love this waist trainer. Okay, now I got this from Squeeze Me Skinny. To me, out of all the waist trainers that I have tried, Squeeze Me Skinny has the best waist trainers. I'm a bodybuilder, so a lot of bodybuilders also wear these waist trainers because they are so good. Okay, they come in, I think they have 8, 10, and 12 inch, that kind of go aligns with your torso, how short or long. Some people have a long torso, some people have a medium, and some people have like a short torso, which would be their 8 inch. I'm like right in the middle. But I love these for the support, and it helps with your back. Sometimes when you're doing certain exercises, you can put, a strain on your back, but I love this for helping with my back. And along with sweating, with the seaweed wrap and this on, it helps to just bring your midsection in. Okay, it helps to give you that, hourglass kind of silhouette, and take off inches on your waist. Definitely helps with your waistline, to take off some inches and bring you in. Now, this alone is not just going to work. You want to accompany doing this, the waist training, with diet, and exercise. Okay, that's how you're going to see maximum results from using one of these, not just walking around with it all day and you're not doing anything in addition to help with the waist trainer. So if you're going to waist train, make sure you're adopting a good diet and exercise in conjunction to get the max results, because it's not just going to work by itself. Okay, and you want to go, eventually you want to go down in size when it comes to these waist trainers. That's the whole point, is to get your waist to shrink and to come on in. But yes, these are great for support and just bringing and sucking in that midsection and just giving you a certain look, and taking off inches, when it comes to your waistline. So Squeeze Me Skinny. I love this. Now, we're going to talk about hygiene. Keeping up with your hygiene while you're working out, going to the gym and stuff like that is super freaking important. So there's two things that I always like to keep with me, and that is some type of body mist and also some freaking deodorant. And I also, on top of these, I also like to keep some type of wipes or a towel as well, just in case, if I'm going to the gym after work, I can kind of freshen up, spray my spray on, do what I got to do with my wipes or my towel, and just keep yourself fresh, because you do want to stay fresh and smelling good when you are working out. That's very much a necessity. Smelling good is a necessity, okay? So deodorant, keep them armpits, your private area, just keep it fresh and keep it all together while you're working out, especially while you're sweating and stuff like that. I love to hear how good I smell when I'm at the gym, or, when I'm with my trainer and stuff like that. So making sure that you are keeping some hygiene products, wipes as well, and stuff like that while you're working out is absolutely a necessity, ladies. Okay. Now I'm going to throw in a little extra one. Some good gym shoes. Gym shoes, You need to have preferably some with a flat sole. None of those extra. Just keep it really simple. Something with a flat bottom, a flat sole. And just get you a good, comfortable gym shoe to wear. Um, you know, gym shoe to wear while you're at the gym, okay? Something that's going to help with your confidence, help you look good and feel good, along with a nice gym workout outfit. Now, if you see my outfit here, I love this outfit. It's, cute, and I feel really good when I wear this. This is actually part of my fitness line, which is Body House Fitness and Apparel, which I will link my website where you can find these items and also workout programs as well on my website. I also have these in different colors, and I also have another style as well. So, if you need some good workout clothes, that is also a necessity to me, is good workout clothes to help boost your confidence. If you look good, you feel good, you perform good, okay? So make sure you get you some comfortable gym clothes, active wear, I should say, or fitness apparel to accompany you and help you feel confident while you are working out. I like to feel, just cute and sexy while I'm working out at the gym, you know, especially if you're the type of girly that, doesn't feel comfortable working out in front of different people and stuff like that. Get you some things that are going to help you feel and look good and confident. And that's exactly what my brand is made for, to represent, is to help women feel, sexy and confident while they're in the gym, so that you perform good, okay? You perform well, okay? So that's all I have as far as my tools. If there's anything else that you guys use that I may, need to go get myself, then you let me know. If there's anything that I'm missing, then you guys let me know in the comments below. What are some things that you have in your gym bag? I want to know, what do you have in your gym bag? Because these are all the things I carry with me religiously, that just help me feel comfortable, confident, empowered, and just ready for each and every workout. All right. Now, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. I have more content, fitness related content, self care content that I am going to be shooting out to you guys, because I want you guys to be your best self, especially my 35 and up girlies like myself. This is our time to refocus and recalibrate our life and focus on our health and longevity, okay? So, like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video for anybody that needs some fitness motivation or some tools that they may need in aiding them in their fitness journey, okay? Until next time, have a good day.
Thank you for watching, and please visit our website at bodyhousefitnessandapparel.com, where you can find stylish and comfortable fitness apparel to help boost your confidence during your workouts. Also, sign up for our 8-week Legs to Match the Lift lower body program that is designed to strengthen and build your legs and glutes. It is also accompanied with a nutrition guide that helps you get the most out of our program. Thank you again for watching, and remember, fitness is top tier self-care.